Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how I can recreate Princess Aurora's look in DTI. So let's step into a fairy tale and bring the magic of Princess Aurora right to your DTI wardrobes. If you want to know how I channel the Sleeping Beauty glow, let me show you the steps. Okay, so for the hair, first I'm going to use this wavy hair, this long wavy hair. This one's in here, and change the color into blonde like this and combine it with this curly hair. This one, the same color, and this hair in here. So once you're done with the hair, you can start with the dress. So for the dress in here, I'm going to use this code items first, this long dress in here, and here I'm using this peach color. You can copy my hex code if you want to, and I'm going to change the materials into silk, then combine with this skirt from the witch set, also in the same texture and also color. And here I'm also going to put on this strawberry dress, but to go it into skirt, only change the texture and also color. Okay, and I'm going to put on this necklace and change the color into gold. And for the accessory, I'm going to also combine it with this necklace here to go it into number 2 and change the color to gold. If you have crown, you can also use the crown. And in here, I'm going to put on this sleeves in here and use the soft pink or soft nude color. And for the top, I'm going to combine it with this corset in here. Change the first preview and second into the same color. And for the lace, change the color into white. Okay, don't forget to also change all the materials into silk. And so you'll get this look for Aurora. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.